Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss order in Robinhood using the mobile app, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to set a stop loss order in Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your iPhone or Android device and log into your account. Scroll down on the home screen until you see a list of your stocks, then tap on the stock you want to set a stop loss for. This will open the stock's details page, where you can see its price, past performance, and other information. When you're ready, tap the Trade button in the bottom right corner. Next, select Sell. On the Sell screen, tap the option in the top right that says Dollars. This opens up more order options. Under the Conditional Order section, tap on Stop Order, then tap Continue. Now, enter your stop price. This should be lower than the current market price of the stock. After entering the stop price, tap Continue. Choose how long you want the stop loss to stay active. You can select one trading day or choose up to 90 days if you plan to hold the stock longer. Next, enter the number of shares you want to include in the stop loss order, then tap Review. On the final screen, review all the details of your stop loss order carefully. If everything looks correct, swipe up to submit the order. And that's it! Your stop loss order is now set and will automatically sell your shares if the stock hits your stop price. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Robinhood trading tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.